Oh yeah, Stumpy 2. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon Stumpy 2 needs to be sharpened again? I think it's a little bit dull. Alright, let's go give Stumpy 2 a sharpen. I'm sure all of you guys know exactly where we're going. For those who don't know, I'll leave a link up in that top right hand corner. Alright, let's go, guys. Alrighty guys, we're getting close. There she is, the famous stump right there. And right at the very end, for those who don't know, there she is, the sharpening stone. The famous sharpening stone. That'll do, Stumpy, no worries. Let's go, guys. Let's get it sharpened up. Alrighty guys, there she is. Look how dull that is. Alrighty, let's give it a sharpen up. Now all you got to do, like I said, is just go 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's beautiful. Look at that. The new sharpen pick. Let's go give this new pick a test. Alrighty guys, how cool is that? She's all sharp. Just beautiful. Well, how's that, Tony? Is that pretty good standards? She nice and sharp? Alright, we won't, I'll do that thing later at the rock, how I've got to leave me a little note. And I won't give this a test just here because I know exactly what's going to happen. For those who don't know what happens when we sharpen our picks, go and check that video up in that top right hand corner. Anyway, let's get into it. Sharpened pick. New Coiltek Elite 14-inch Mono. It's doing real well, so let's go and get stuck into it, guys. We'll go and head back and kit up. Here we are, finally made it. So hopefully we can just get down here, find some targets, have a bit of fun. Oop, big hole. Very deep grounds out here. Very deep gully. So it does get very challenging to find some fine gold. And as we get further down, I'll show you guys a little bit further down when we get there, how the gully gets really deep, and then how deep that bedrock is as well, with some exposed outcrops as well down there. So I'll show you guys that. But today what we're going to do, we're going to get the 14-inch Elite on. We're going to revolutionise YouTube, guys. We're going to be pioneers in the industry. Something a little bit different on the channel, using the 14-inch Elite. Beautiful, awesome coil. Very open grounds out here. You can see it's not very thick on the vegetation, so hopefully we've got some nice swing areas that we can cover the grounds reasonably quick with the bigger coil. So anyway, let's get stuck into it. I'll turn the machine on and get going. Okay guys, we'll make sure that's in perfect balance, make sure it's in harmony with the grounds. Beautiful.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
Perfect balance. Let's see, I'm not sure it's going to be gold, but absolutely beautiful day out here today. We've had a fair bit of rain, so today we've finally got some sun. Alright, so that's out. Yeah, I think it's just going to be a small piece of rust somewhere in there. Yeah, there we go. Just a little nail head. Just a small nail head on that one, guys. Yeah, see how it was giving us that inverted response because it's only a very small piece of rust. Pretty cool. Alrighty, let's keep going and see what else we can get. Okay guys, this is the very start of the gully just here. As you can see, I just thought I'd get the camera going and give you guys a bit of a look. Pretty cool. Okay guys, so we've made it down this part of the gully, and I just thought I'd get the camera going and show you guys. This is the bedrock here, and you can see the quartz veins running through there. Pretty cool. Very deep just here. What do we got? We've got about, I'll just go up, so we've got the sides of the gully there. So you'd say about 5 feet. It's not like very deep, but 5 feet deep down to bedrock for a detector operator is pretty deep. You can see the metamorphism right through there as well. Just through there, all those quartz veins folded over time from heat. That's very cool though. Bit of mineralisation just in there. Just in there. Very cool. Probably be a good little spot to see if there's any fine gold. Just you can see that part that's been cut out over the years from the water running through. Just running through that way. Up through there. Very good. Anyway, I'll keep going down. There's actually a little spot down here I want to show you guys. Very cool scenery though, look at that. Awesome. Yeah, so this is that spot I wanted to show you guys, just over here. I'll just try and get over here real quick. And just swing up around here. As you can see, there's all the alluvial just there. You can see that would have been an original layer just there. All the water-worn rocks. And then over time, over weather events, then there's another layer there. Over many years to build that. All the way up from the bedrock that sits below us. But as you can see, that's deep. That's real deep. That's about 8 foot. 8 foot deep where I'm walking through, and the bedrock could be another 10 feet just here in this section. Anyway, we'll get back into it. Let's go. Finally got a target down here, guys. I'll plug in the external and give you a listen, as I always do. Beautiful response, this one. Okay, I'll sit you guys down and we'll get this out. It sounds deep, not surface. Alrighty, here we go. We're going in. Whoa! You ripper. She's still in there, guys. I've been getting a few that sounded like that today, just on the surface, some junky rust ones. I'll bring you guys in and quickly show you. So you can see just there, we're just hitting that gravel layer. Beautiful, and it's a real clay base as well, just there. Sticky. That's what we want, right where the gold will stick. Alrighty, we're going in. Oh, listen to that, guys. She's still in there. You beauty. Alright, get that out of the way. Oh, beautiful material. I've just got a tree root there. Alright, we'll try again. Alright, she's definitely in there. I'll show you guys, I'll bring it up. And we'll just we'll go in on that. Ready? Ready? Should be just on that left hand side somewhere. Alright, I'll have to try and be careful on this one because I don't know, we're right on that clay now.
got some big rocks in there. Nice sticky clay. Just get all those gravels off that clay. And I've got a good feeling this is going to be gold. What's that, about 100 mil of gravel sitting on that clay. Alright, wish me luck. Oh, she's out. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. Alright, wish me luck. Ready? Alright, here we go. Scoop time. Moment of truth. Should be somewhere in the middle, I reckon. Whenever I say that, it's never where it is. Oh, come on. Oh, it can't be that hard to find. Might have fallen down. Let me just pinpoint again, guys. Sorry about that. Look at that big rock. Nah. Alright, she's in here, guys. Wish me luck. Here we go. Oh, I can see it. I just shook that scoop and I can see it right there. Oh, that's cool. That's gold, guys. You beauty. That's a piece of gold, guys. Here we go. We're going down. I'll bring this around here. And there we go. Right in the front of the scoop. There we go. How cool is that? That's awesome. There we go. Oh, beautiful. Let's get that dirt off. Oh, let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's a nice piece of gold, guys. That's going to clean up beautiful. There we go. Right, if you guys want to gather your thoughts and see what you reckon that weighs, I'll bring those weights up on screen very soon. Let's see if I can clean it a bit more. I didn't bring water with me, so I'll just put the pictures in after the end of the video. There we go. Very cool. Well, that's awesome. What's that? About 8 inches. So nothing super extreme on the depth. But there we go. Very cool. That's going to look awesome cleaned up. Alright, I'll bring those weights up on screen right now, guys. Good luck. And there we go. Well, that's cool. First piece of gold for today. I've been detecting for about 2 hours now, and I've got a fair few bits of junk in my pocket. I'll show you guys after. Alright, back into it. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. Just over there is where we got that last piece of gold. Just down in there. I didn't move that stump yet. I just thought to have a quick go down around here, and I've came across the target just here, right on the edge of this gully. Now what we've got to do is watch out for, obviously, underneath. Watch out that it's not going to cave in. That's pretty thin just there, so we'll just sort of stick away from that a little bit. Okay guys, I'll plug the external in, give you guys a listen, and then we'll get this one out. Beautiful response. Let's go, guys. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's a big one. Big chunky bit of quartz. Alright. Love that sound. Whoo. She's definitely going to be lead or gold. But being where it is, I've got a good feeling because we just got that piece of gold. That this is going to be gold, guys. Oh, she's out. Alright, I'll spin you guys around. Bring you up to this action. Here we go. Alright, here we go, guys. Alright, she's at the back there. Alright, let's go. Alright, wish me luck. Get your thoughts ready for this. Oh, come on. Too excited. Alright, she's in there, guys. Oh, here we go. Getting closer. Oh, there it is, that's gold. Oh, no, it's not. Damn it. Oh, I had gold fever. I just seen yellow and thought there was gold in there. Yeah, well, I'll show you what we got here, guys. Alright, let's go down. Oh, all that excitement. All that excitement because we got gold. Look. There we go. That's a piece of gold, guys. Let's give it a clean, as we always do. Let's check it out. Oh, that's cool as. It's got ironstone by the look of it. It's a solid piece too. I can feel that weight. I think it's going to be heavier than that last one. Gather your thoughts and see what you reckon that weighs. And I'll bring up those weights on screen right now. Oh, how cool is that piece of gold? That's awesome. That's going to clean up so good. Well, if you guys want to gather your thoughts, I'll bring up those weights on screen. Oh, go the Coiltek Elite 14-inch U Ripper. That wasn't that deep, like the last one, but she's an awesome coil. Definitely get some grounds covered, that's for sure. I'll move that stump just down there and have a bit more of a go around here. Obviously it's good when you find two bits, but you can see that first gully there and that little bit where they've worked up through there runs off, and then we've got workings that run up there, so maybe there was gold shedding down from that way. Well, that was absolutely awesome. Didn't end up hitting any more gold just down on that little edge, but it was fun either way. Got myself a nice little spot sitting down here in the bush. Can't complain about that, guys. Alright, let's go and check out what we got. Oh, how cool is that, guys? Sharpened up stumpy number 2. Worked awesome today. Got those junk targets, absolutely beautiful. A few bits of lead, that little clip thing there. And we got some good stuff. We got the gold. Thanks very much, Coiltek. You're awesome. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, guys. Send through a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And for those who aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there, and that way you stay up to date with all the videos. And I think that's me done now. Tune in next Tuesday. As always, love talking to you guys. See you later.